Webale muno kwekaragano hondera Kitara TV kandi nkusiima muno obugurani bw'omurundi gwogo bandize kuba n'okurora oturorera Facebook likinga page yaitu eno and urabo baira ha YouTube subscribing ha channel yaitu eno osobole kuba noikara n'otuhondera ha Kitara TV hona na mbere okali entekaniza eri turambule bunyo ninyo omuhereza wawe Julius Kyomuhendo omusajja omulisa kandi omuyawo bamoyi kiro kino kwenda kukurambuza esomero erya Nyabyeya. Isomero ni lya Nyabyeya erinyakuli mu kibira kino kya Budongo obayiro limanyire karatekana obolabo bayiro takateira akasente hasimu bayira batekaho MBs obukumara kurungi oikaro tekani ohondere entekanizeno osobole kuba nomanya isomero lini erya Nyabyeya. Isomero ni lya Nyabyeya likusangibwa omunyamasaza ya Masindi ekandi kuruga omurubugo rwa Masindi kugenda isomero ni lya Nyabyeya aro kilometers 26. Obo kuba no kyayiko mu isomero ni lya Nyabyeya ekikusuka kutangira ni ruwoya na akabeonya burungi akakurugo mite ya kibira kine kya Budongo kyokusarwa munonte isomero lino kirikima kyo bugayike kinyakuli mu bunyoro baitu abanyoro ekyobugayiga kino titu kikozeseze kurungi. Abarozi ba Kitara TV tuli Nyabyeya haitendekero eri kutendeka ebyebibira ebikutendeka kulima enjoki obwoki anda isomero lino lili hamu limu amasomero matito mu Uganda byona agakutendeka ebibira bunyoro tuhayiro mugisa kuba tutwine kikaronka kino kandi timanyira bwake kikaro kino kitakatumbe muno ngaito bunyoro turoku bantu kutendukoreka ebikaro bino itongera ku bantu bitumbura ekikaro kino kikusangwa omunyamasaza ya Masindi kandi I think na sabukaunti ya Nyabyeya abano bawo somwana wawo sakumuleta akasomero haitendekero lino hona na mbero kali iwa kutondera Kitara TV. Isomero lino lya Nyabyeya likatandika omwaka gwa 1948 kugarurayo kake omwaka gwa 1982 n'omwaka gwa 1984 ihanga lya Uganda likatangira ensuhuki kuruga omunsi ya Polandi. Abapolandi bana bayikiraga kimo kasanju bakajja mu Uganda ni bayiruko omunsi ya Polandi habo obule mu bwakabiri obwensi yona. Ihanga lya Uganda likabayikazo mu kikaro kino ekya Nyabyeya kandi hanyuma yobule mu kukendera ensi gamba nkabungereza abapolandi baneka batwara mu mwaka gwa 1988. Mu mwaka gwa 1988 niwo isomero lya Nyabyeya lyatandikire likatandika lilikozesa ebyombeko byenyini ebyensihuki zino ebibali bibaikaramu.
En college niyo college yonka mu Uganda eyegesa ebya nyitendekero yonka mu Uganda eyegesa about forestry big kurundo woki kandi ligaba diploma. So munda mu forest college muno harumuna guest house umuntu okusagenda okabyama ukalyaone byokulya na restaurant eroho ukarelaxing obwomezi wawe.
Bintu bingi mune byembaganiza abapolandi bano ebibalekero mu kikao kimu ekintu kimwe kikuhuniza kikubandiza kimu nire ichundiro lya magita eribalekere omukikaro kimu kikugamba nto ichundiro line lya magita litekwa kuba nire lyabandirize kimu mu bunyoro oba na Uganda yona kutwaliza hamo.
Makine kitukurora ekaba fuel station
ichundiro lya magita
erundi ichundiro lya magita nikyo kyabandize mu Masindi kusanga nikyo kyabandize na Bunyoro donka tuketegeze bulungi we have not confirmed that fact so tusagama nikyo kyabandize baitu kintu kino keira abapolisi habayizire in the 1940s. Yes, so nibuba baresere fuel station tukusima university bintu bimena tebibireho tabwe tebisisasisire yabyaro yabarambuzi baito vajja nayo tubivoleka nibabirora kandi arumune byombeke binde bikunkule bimukura bino ebyombeke ebyo bikaba bya Poland manya Poland bakajyaho hano 1940s as refugees wabere urutaro rwa World War II bayombeka bintu byabo church nayo kujagirora ya Poland kujagirora then na ebyombeke bimwe hano niba bitandisize reno babyongere government yajya yakora bateekawo college. So nabo tusagamba maybe nibo abaire pioneers ba college because they laid the foundation.
Ebyombeko by'Abapolande bibalekera omukiikaro kino bikyali nk'oku byakabaire oyiro akalangi akabagenda ne bafiirana. Iyo gavumenti ya Uganda naye yombekera ebyombeke byembaganiza omukiikaro kino. Owekitinisa Kisaakye Richard anyakukuula essomero lya Nyabyeya akatugambiraho ebibasomesa omukiikaro kino.
The college offers 4 diploma courses. It offers a diploma in forestry, a diploma in agroforestry, a diploma in biomass energy technology, and a diploma in beekeeping. It also offers 2 certificate courses, that is a certificate in forestry and a certificate in beekeeping.
Okumanya essomero lino lya Nyabyeya kiriki obugudda hali bunyora liririmu lyonka essomero linya kusomesa amasomo nkaago omu ihanga lyonna.
It is important to note that all those courses I've talked about, they are the only ones of their kind in Uganda. We are famous for training in forestry, and the whole country relies on us for the technical manpower, because nowhere in Uganda will you find people offering a diploma in forestry. Neither will you find anywhere in Uganda people doing a diploma in beekeeping or agroforestry or biomass energy technology. So that is how the college is important to the country.
Principal w'essomero Kisaakye Richard akwongera yatusoborora omuhendo gw'abeegi abanyakuli omu essomero lino.
Our numbers keep fluctuating, but they always fluctuate between 400 and 650.
Obutwamu abwizeho abeegi abakazi n'abasajja bayinga abasinga kutawa mu essomero lino kino nikyo yatugarukiremu.
Originally there would be no females in the college until 2000, but right now 40% of the students are female and 60% are males. And our last recruitment for certificate, in certificate 1, the girls are more than the boys.
Akwongera yatusoborora obugazi n'obukoto bw'eitaka essomero lino nambere likalire.
We are seated on the main campus. We have 367 hectares of land. 20 is occupied by the campus, but the others are used for setting up facilities that can enable us to fulfill our mandate of training people at technical level. We have more than 200 hectares of plantation forestry. We are going to establish 50 hectares of bamboo. We have the part for the nursery. We have a farm. We have agroforestry demo plot. So apart from the 20 hectares, the other remaining one is used for various purposes. We also have another forest, a natural forest, Rwensama, which is sitting on 127 hectares of land.
Antekanize zibainanka essomero. Principal Kisaakye Richard kino nikyo yatugarukiremu.
It is very hard for us to say the future because it is a government It is a government institution. Only that what we are concentrating on now is improving on our curriculum. Bamboo is the next crop, so we want to bring in a lot of training in bamboo for the students. And wood processing is also becoming more important because people have planted a lot of trees in the country that are nearing maturity. But processing the wood into various products, the skills are still very low. So in the near future, we want to put up a very big wood processing hub where wood can be turned into the many products, and the training can be done at the college.
Nkenda muno kukenga enkolagana eri hagati y'essomero n'abantu bahakyala ekyo. Omunyamabwize kikaguzeeki principal nikwati yakigarukiremu.
We have very good relationship with the community. The community depend on us on a number of things. For example, the surrounding community get their firewood from the college. Those who are very near get their water from the college, and we have plans of expanding our water system so that we can take part of the water to the community so that they benefit from the college. Also for some of the activities like games, they use our pitches. They also get very many of the people who are employed by the college, the staff which is not very technical. The community are the ones who are doing those jobs.
Omwisomero lino kusikira okutoleza okunyakozere abeja bakusingira kimu obwinga abanyakula mu isomero lino tibali banyoro kino nikyolekya nti galimana mitu abanyoro ekyo bugajja kine kinyakula mu nsi yaitu titukikozeseze nka abanyoro hansonga egi yenyini ekansindikiza kutoza nyakuli academic registrar kubazaho nawe kulolera ebisale by'essomero. Kitara Swine unyamabwizo ebisale bya isomero bino ne byatugambire.
The fees structure is on private certificate. They pay 760. That's a certificate in forestry, and certificate in beekeeping is 650. Then on diploma in forestry is 910, and the diploma in agroforestry 910, diploma in biomass 910,000, and the diploma in beekeeping is 750. We have also government aided or sponsored these students who go through JAB, that is through A6, and those who also access upgrading programs also through JAB after performing a bit fair. They are selected through JAB. On certificate program, we don't have those that are government sponsored, but we get some maybe outside sponsors, outside funders who can give scholarship to some few of them. After going through Nyabyeya, our students access different universities offering different programs as long as they are science related, and they can also access through government. There is what we call student loan scheme, there is mature entry to university, and also some get access to different sponsors. So since it's a government aided institution, there is that channeling it to government funded universities, and they can access sponsorship up to university level.
Nkongera nyamuhabuza semester yabo etwara kaide ki.
Our semester can go for 3 to 4 months depending on whether you're a finalist or whether you're a continuing student. If it is a finalist, there are many programs that come in course of the semester, like maybe doing research, management programs, and so on and so forth. So it can take 3 months or 4. There are 2 semesters per year, especially when it comes to 2 years, those are 4 semesters. And when it comes to, that is the diploma program, even certificate programs, it is 2 years, those are 4 semesters.
Nkenda kumanya baraba gumishiriza abazaira batakwesobora kurunga fees kino nikyo yatugarukiramo.
We are so patient with the parents, and since this institution was established, it has that parent relationhood in order to help parents to have their children access science courses at a fair price, fair cost. So we are not so harsh as far as fees payment is concerned. We listen.
Ombigambo byebikusembayo Kitara Swine wanyi akatugamba ati.
In this region you find this institution is situated in the Bunyoro Midwestern region, but you find there are very few students who have known it out there, very few parents have known it out there, and there is need to do a lot of sensitization to have many students from this region taking up science related combinations, and they also perform well in science subjects at all levels, such that they can access this place. Without doing that, this is purely a science related institution. So we have seen many cases coming with the arts combinations and they wish to join this place. So it's not arts, it's purely what? Science. So students should be encouraged to take up science related courses, combinations in order to access this college.
Ekimu ekintu akyatwaire ebitekerezo byange omukiikaro kino kikabe kisaawe kino eky'omupiira ogw'ebigere. Gavumenti omu kasumi kano kenyini eri mu kubombekera ekisaawe ekya basketball. tukagenda omukiikalo kino nambe bakombeka ekisaayi kino twabazawo n'abakozi kandi niko bati baatugambiire
zona ninyi mukuzikola
construction company. Yeah.
So this one is going to be
a tennis court.
tennis court.
Yeah. Tukumara no byombe kama bale kuli. Ntubisiga tuteka markation tuteka makana kakabati. Ba players batatu.
Ati ere genda kusigala ngere.
Ya kuyo ate tujja kuyamba konde ebyo
mutere kola sinai
tutere kola stake emikondo byakatusige tuteka obutimba na pembeni ntombeka amabale kintu kibe masivu bana bakiteri bali banyumire emyaka tukona tukole kiristanda kiri kibugu myaka enderi kinyumirwa gonje
essomero lino lina eryahoro ly'ebitabo Getera library enyakulima ebitabo ebirungi omwegi wena byakusobola kusoma akaraba abakoosi zino eziba kutendeka essomero lino nkabazona alinda eryahoro lino ery'ebitabo mwetera librarian abantu abahakyaro kuruga aheero abatali mu ssomero muno obala abakirizibwa mu ssomero lino mu library eno.
There is no restriction, there is no serious restriction because we monitor you when you come, you do your things, you go freely. And once in a while, Makerere students always even come here, and some good students, and even some from Deji University. Those are the people who come.
Ngenda kumanya obuharaba abahakyaro abajja ne beekunyiza library eno.
Well, the public rarely comes. I've never seen a serious somebody from the public who comes. Only it was one. There is a botanist, but unfortunately he got an accident and he is already crippled. He's just from the neighborhood called Kamon. I remember one time he came, he could come and use the books on grasses of Uganda when he's going in the field, and that is the only person I encountered since I was here.
Essomero lya Nyabyeya Forestry College nkenda kukenga abantu abanyakuraba mu essomero lino mirimo ki eyibakola kukenga kino nkabazawo na Kitara oba musomesa waabo katusabe Erasmus bino ne byatugambiire.
Ekirungo ekitaha Nyabyeya kirengu abaana bakumara diploma babakoze kurungi basobora kugenda ne bajoininga universities, public universities on government sponsorship ne bakora a course nka forestry, agriculture, wildlife management, agribusiness. Buli mwaka Nyabyeya esobola kutwala abaana nka 12 public universities. Hati abaana bamara kusoma Nyabyeya Forestry College abasomere diploma mu agroforestry, forestry, abasomere forestry bakira kugenda kukora mu National Forest Authority, abandi bakora ha district ga mu district forest service, abandi bakugenda ga mu tobacco companies, abandi bakugenda mu wildlife conservation, abandi bakugenda mu wildlife authority. Ati tufune nabandi abakugenda ga mu police training, nibajoninga police training nibafuna that the science care. Abana basoma certificate abo bakiragenda kuba supervising mu nurseries, they are good at plantation management. Nyabyeya actually abana bahabakize kusomera Nyabyeya tibakira kudiba abo kuba mirimo gira gakuzoka numbika ijo naho bukora yoka
iwe kugonza irini anyakuli omu abege mu essomero lino akutusoborora ensonga habwaki yayikira mu essomero lino.
Kityo kubanza nkabura munene nyende ebintu bikwataganye na nature ebyo buhangwa ubu kujya hano kale nkenda no kuya mentality yogamba abayisikiti basoma zino courses zabojo na nyonkenda nyimukyeyo nihojo mentality yogamba nga abana abayisikiti courses zino tibazisobola. So nacho amujja hano kole diploma in forestry kandi nyino kunhirangu nkuba mfune skills kuruga hano nkusaba kolesa onko omwisiki nkekolere byange ntakusaba kudependinga muntu wena
oruganikyo orwomwegi ondi kuruya Brian nero turawukaina hali omwegi ono kugonza irindu.
Plus here we are doing forestry, we are doing beekeeping, and we are so focused on the environment. So thanks to the Ministry of Water and Environment that has been with us and that has supported us, that has brought us here at the college. We have very many people from different parts of the country, from the northern region, from the western region, from the central, and all come from those places because they have the feeling and that passion to do and conserve nature. actually here at Nyabyeya Forestry College, for us, we have a slogan that says that conserve nature, and so that is our aim. We are here to conserve nature. So whoever, where you are, and you have that feeling and you have that passion, please, you can come and register. We are located in Nyabyeya town, Masindi district. So you can come and register at the college, and you see a lot of interesting courses that you can do at this college.
Omukichweka kino kiyenyine aisomero lino ya Nyabyeya linawo bularo gyete guest house nambera abagenyi oba abalambuza abembaganiza babayizire kulambula nk'ekibira kino kya budongo n'isomero ne lyenyini nambere bakusobola kuba ne barara. Omukikaro kino kiyenyini hakolebwamu ekintu ekikwetebwa camping.
Niyo Nyabyeya guest house. What get Nyabyeya Forestry Guest House. Tati number wizire kuno mu forest oba budongo tojja kufuna okurara. Rooms zero hali room kayibiri na ina. Single rooms so contained zero. Then at hezindi zokurura hali nambale kugram ki ezo nazo room.
Nsonga ki ekwaka nayo omunyoro kujjo kalambule ebikalo. Haba Kitara TV ninyo Julius Kyomuhendo.
Kibiro munyo kibona nkobe kibali mabale masindi kikali bunyoro yakabi.